What if I told you that upgrading your woodworking setup doesn't require expensive tools at all in this video? We're showing off the coolest woodworking tools under $50. These budget-friendly gadgets are smart, efficient, and perfect for any skill level. Get ready to upgrade your toolkit with gear that's big on impact, but light on your wallet. Number 1. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool. This aluminum alloy tool gives incredibly precise marking for layout work. The deep-hole pencil reaches areas standard pencils can't get into. Its adjustable guides let you mark straight, curved, or parallel lines with ease. It works on wood, metal, tiles, and more with stable accuracy. A perfect tool for builders needing fast and repeatable marking. It helps you achieve cleaner, more consistent results on detailed projects. Number 2. Self-leveling laser level, 100 feet. This green laser level offers bright visibility over long distances. With 4 brightness modes, it adapts to indoor and outdoor conditions. The self-leveling system saves time and avoids costly mistakes. Waterproof IP54 protection ensures durability in workshop environments. A great tool for leveling cabinets, shelves, and layout lines. It brings higher precision to setups that demand straight, reliable alignment. Number 3. This Pushblock keeps your hands safely away from blades during cuts. Its adjustable legs grip narrow, small, or uneven stock with confidence. The non-slip surface maintains control even on tricky materials. It dramatically improves accuracy and reduces kickback risk. Essential for anyone using a table saw or router table regularly. The added stability helps produce cleaner cuts with less material waste. Number 4. BESSEY VS23 Strap Clamp. This strap clamp works perfectly for frames, boxes, and angle glue-ups. The 23-foot strap wraps large or irregular shapes with balanced pressure. 4 corner clips keep the strap aligned and prevent slipping. The tightening mechanism ensures a stable and controlled grip. Ideal for woodworking projects where clean, square joints are critical. Number 5. Milescraft Sandit Multi-Surface Sanding Block. This sanding block shapes flat, curved, concave, and rounded surfaces easily. Its ergonomic grip keeps your wrist comfortable during long sanding sessions. Compatible with standard 1/4 sheet sandpaper, it's inexpensive to maintain. It gives consistent sanding pressure for smooth, even finishes. Perfect for detailed shaping before staining or painting. Number 6. 34-pack Chamfer Drilling and Countersink Set. This kit provides everything you need for clean, professional drill holes. Countersink bits create perfect screw seats without chipping the wood. Plug cutters let you hide screws for a seamless finish. Stop collars help keep drilling depth accurate and controlled. A complete drilling and finishing solution in one compact set. It's great for furniture makers who want polished, high-quality results. Number 7. Kreg Quick-Flip. This bit instantly switches between drilling a pilot hole and driving a screw. The flip mechanism saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. Compatible with standard hex tools, it's easy to integrate into any setup. The bit delivers clean drilling and precise fastening every time. Great for cabinetry, furniture assembly, and fast-paced builds. Number 8. KATA 6-piece Hole Saw Kit. This kit includes multiple hole saw sizes for common woodworking tasks. It cuts clean openings in softwood, plywood, and PVC. The included mandrels and hex key make setup fast and simple. Its durable teeth are built for repeated cuts without dulling quickly. A reliable kit for installations, venting, and general shop work. Number 9. MiLESEEY 229-foot Laser Measure. This digital laser measure delivers fast, accurate readings within 2 millimeters. Its angle sensor helps measure slopes and indirect distances easily. A bright backlit display makes it readable in any lighting. Multiple measuring modes make it useful for layout and planning. A dependable tool for shop design, room measuring, and project calculations. It removes guesswork and speeds up planning for complex builds. Number 10. Milescraft Trim 45. This tool helps achieve perfect 45-degree trim cuts and joints. It guides placement for consistent miter alignment every time. The lightweight design is easy to carry and use on site. Its accuracy reduces wasted material and repeated cuts. A simple but powerful aid for trim work and finish carpentry. It makes door frames, moldings, and corners noticeably cleaner. Number 11. Honing Guide Chisel Sharpening System. This system locks chisels and plane blades at the ideal sharpening angle. The angle gauge ensures consistent sharpening for perfect edges. The secure clamp holds tools tightly for smooth passes on the stone. It works for a wide range of blade widths with no slipping. A must-have for maintaining razor-sharp woodworking tools. It helps your tools cut cleaner and last longer between sharpenings. Number 12. WEARXI Woodworking Apron. This canvas apron protects you from dust, splinters, and tool impacts. Multiple pockets help organize your essential tools for easy access. Adjustable straps allow a comfortable fit from S to XXXL. Durable stitching helps it withstand heavy shop use. A practical upgrade for both comfort and productivity in the workshop. It keeps your tools within reach and your clothes clean during long builds. Number 13. PREXISO 30-foot square laser. This flooring laser projects accurate 90-degree lines for perfect layout. The magnetic base holds it steady during installation work. Built-in bubble vials provide additional leveling assistance. It's ideal for tile, flooring, cabinetry, and alignment tasks. A compact, reliable tool for ensuring straight and square layouts. It speeds up precise alignment for large or detailed shop projects. Number 14. RUITOOL Japanese Pull Saw. This pull-style saw offers fast cutting with superior control. The double-edged blade handles both ripping and cross-cutting. The flexible SK5 steel allows flush trimming without damaging surfaces. It requires less force, making it easier for precision joinery. A great hand tool for clean, delicate woodworking cuts. It's especially valuable when working on detailed or intricate joints. Number 15. These stands elevate panels and boards for painting or staining both sides. Their triangular tips minimize contact and prevent smudging. Strong construction supports heavier pieces without shifting. They speed up finishing by allowing continuous work with fewer delays. Ideal for furniture parts, cabinet doors, and small craft projects. They help achieve clean finishes without waiting for one side to dry. And that wraps up 15 of the coolest woodworking tools under $50. Each one delivers big performance without stretching your budget. If you want more tool-focused videos, be sure to check out the next one.